Hello everyone, and welcome to our channel. Today, we've got a crucial topic for you, Amazon affiliate marketing. Believe it or not, the affiliate marketing industry is booming, set to reach around $12 billion worldwide by the end of the year. Yes, you heard that right, $12 billion. That's almost twice the annual budget of NASA. Why is Amazon affiliate marketing so intriguing? Well, Amazon affiliates earn, on average, between $1,000 and $7,000 per month. Just to give you an idea, that's like having a second salary without leaving your full-time job. Some even make over $100,000 a year. Curious to know how? Stick with us, this ultimate guide is tailored just for you.
Amazon affiliate marketing is not just an easy way to earn passive income, it's a goldmine. The principle is straightforward. You recommend a product, someone clicks on your affiliate link and makes a purchase, and you get a commission. But let's dig deeper. According to staggering stats, only 1.2% of Amazon affiliates earn more than $20,000 a month. That's right, over $20,000 a month. This isn't just extra income, it's a total financial life transformation. Moreover, 50% of affiliates earn over $100,000 a year, which is no small feat. What makes this opportunity even more appealing are the variable commissions across product categories. Take electronics, for instance. You might think a 4% commission isn't much. But imagine selling a $2,000 computer. That single sale will fetch you an $80 commission. Multiply that by 10 sales a month, and you've got an extra $800 in your pocket. And that's not all. In the beauty sector, commissions can go up to 10%. Thus, a $50 makeup palette will net you a $5 commission. Multiply that by 200 monthly sales, and you've got yourself $1,000 in revenue. Let's not forget books, where commissions can go up to 8%. A $20 book can earn you $1.60. Selling 100 books in a month will get you a total commission of $160. But the Amazon affiliate program isn't limited to physical products. You can also earn commissions by recommending Amazon services, such as Amazon Prime, Amazon Music, or Audible. Just one successful Amazon Prime conversion can fetch you up to a $3 commission. Imagine recommending it to 100 people, that would get you an additional $300. Multiply that number further. If you convert 500 people, you'll get an extra $1,500 just from Amazon Prime. The icing on the cake? You can even earn commissions on subscription renewals, creating a recurring revenue stream. To kickstart this lucrative adventure, the first step is to sign up for the Amazon Associates program. Registration is entirely free and incredibly quick, taking only a few minutes of your time. Once that's done, you gain access to a dashboard packed with a plethora of tools and stats to track your earnings and evaluate your performance. One of the most useful tools for beginners is SiteStripe. SiteStripe is a toolbar that appears at the top of your screen when you're logged into your Amazon Associates account and browsing Amazon's website. This toolbar allows you to instantly generate affiliate links for the products you want to promote. You don't have to be a tech whiz to do it. Just click Get Link, and your affiliate link will be automatically generated. You can then integrate this link into your content, be it your website, blog, or social media, allowing your followers to access the product directly on Amazon via your customized link. So, if you're a beginner eager to dive into Amazon affiliate marketing, SiteStripe is an indispensable tool to get you off the ground quickly.
Now that you're an Amazon affiliate, the real challenges begin: how to maximize your earnings. Let's start with SEO. You'd be surprised to learn that 93% of online visits begin with a Google search. Therefore, if you really want to succeed, you must make it to that first Google result page. Use SEO tools such as SEMrush or Ahrefs to find the best keywords and improve your ranking. Keep in mind that the average cost per click, CPC, for a competitive keyword can reach up to $5. By mastering SEO, meaning, without resorting to paid advertising, you can get this traffic for free. But that's not all. Content is king, especially in affiliate marketing. According to a recent study, high-quality content generates 3 times more leads than traditional marketing and costs 62% less. The Content Marketing Institute also revealed that consumers are 131% more likely to purchase after reading an educational article. So, by offering well-written product reviews or detailed video tutorials, you're increasing your chances of conversions, and therefore, significant earnings. In fact, 70% of people prefer learning about a product through articles rather than traditional advertising. Social media platforms are also perfect for affiliate marketing. One study showed that recommendations on social media could increase the likelihood of a purchase by 71%. Instagram has over 1 billion monthly active users, while Network X, formerly Twitter, has 330 million. Utilize these platforms, and especially Facebook, which has around 2.8 billion monthly active users, to promote your affiliate links. Platforms like Pinterest should also be considered. 89% of Pinterest users use it for purchase decisions. And by using targeted ads, your reach can be expanded, attracting an even broader and more diverse audience, thus boosting your chances of generating more revenue. Thank you for following this comprehensive guide on Amazon affiliate marketing. According to statistics, a well-trained affiliate can generate their first sale in less than 7 days. Yes, in just 1 week, you can start seeing money roll into your account. Isn't that fantastic? If you have any questions, doubts, or suggestions for our future videos, leave a comment below. And if you found this video helpful, don't hesitate to hit the like button, share, and subscribe so you won't miss our future tips. See you next time, and remember, the sky's the limit for your potential earnings as an Amazon affiliate. Catch you soon on our YouTube channel.